Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Neha. Today, before I start, I would like to wish you all a very happy Holi. But as we celebrate Holi, I am reminded of the time crunch that we have, keeping in mind the upcoming KVS, NVS and EMRS examination. So in this shortest of short video, let us talk about William Shakespeare and what to study in William Shakespeare. We all know Shakespeare has 37 plays, 154 sonnets and 2 long poems to his credit. But what to study exactly is the point to be noted here. First thing I would like to mention is, although all the plays of William Shakespeare are very important, they have their own qualities, they have their own themes, plot structures. But here is the list of 5 plays you cannot miss for this upcoming KVS, NVS and EMRS Tier 2, especially if you are preparing for descriptive set of paper. The first play is, without mention, King Lear. King Lear, I think, is one of the most important and most beloved plays of even UPSC exam paper setters. In UPSC examination, King Lear has been often asked. And King Lear has to be important. We all know why. Because it's a pure tragedy. It's a tragedy of character written by William Shakespeare. It's a story of one king and his 3 daughters, Cordelia, Regan and Goneril. Along with the plot, the subplot is also very important. So if you are facing the crunch of time, make sure you read King Lear with its plot, summary, symbols, characters and each and everything about King Lear is important. Second play, without mention, is the tragicomedy written by William Shakespeare, that is A Merchant of Venice. The character of Portia is important from feminist perspective, and the characterization of Portia, the character sketch of Portia can stand alone become a very important question, because it's a feminist study, as it has been said that Shakespeare has heroines but no heroes. So Portia stands as one of the most important example. So Merchant of Venice, King Lear. The third in the line has to be Twelfth Night, the story of 2 twins, Viola and Sebastian. The subtitle of Twelfth Night, what you will, is again very important for objective point of view. And fourth and fifth number plays that are important, they have to be Macbeth and Hamlet. The soliloquies of Hamlet are important. So in this video, I have mentioned 5 plays that you must read for this upcoming Tier 2 examination. First is King Lear, second is Merchant of Venice, third is Twelfth Night, fourth is Macbeth and fifth is Hamlet. Yes, of course, there is always scope to read more, but you should be very, very accurate about reading these 5 plays. And when I say these things, that these 5 plays are important, I mean I have revised, I have channelized the questions that have come from these 5 plays, especially in the previous examinations of UPSC, UPPSC, HPSC. So in that case, you must read these 5 plays since they are very, very important. So do not waste your time. Start studying, start answer writing practice right now. So with that note, I wish you all the very best as you prepare, and I wish you this year turns out to be as colorful as today's festival is. Thank you.